The Constituent Assembly of India laid the foundation of our constitution. Its journey was structured and supported by 22 committees, 8 major and 14 minor, each dedicated to specific tasks, ensuring a comprehensive and inclusive framework. The 8 major committees served as the Assembly's backbone. The Drafting Committee, chaired by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, was pivotal, crafting the constitutional text and refining its language to encapsulate justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. The Union Powers Committee, led by Jawaharlal Nehru, outlined the balance between the center and states, ensuring a strong federal structure. Similarly, the Union Constitution Committee, also under Nehru, provided the framework for governance. The Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, Minorities, and Tribal Areas, chaired by Sardar Patel, integrated diverse voices into the Constitution, ensuring justice for marginalized communities. Its subcommittees addressed specific issues like minority safeguards and tribal welfare. The Provincial Constitution Committee, under Patel, structured governance at the state level. The Rules of Procedure Committee, led by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, facilitated the Assembly's smooth functioning, while the Steering Committee ensured timely progress. Lastly, the Finance and Staff Committee handled administrative and financial matters. The minor committees complemented this effort, focusing on niche yet critical areas like citizenship, language, and emergency provisions. For instance, the Linguistic Provinces Committee laid the groundwork for reorganizing states on linguistic lines, while the Flag Committee designed our national emblem, symbolizing unity amidst diversity.